Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel MathMula. Today we talk about the division algorithm for polynomials. Let's start. Division algorithm for polynomials. If f of x and g of x are any two polynomial with g of x not equal to 0, then we can always find a polynomial q of x and r of x such that f of x is equals to q of x into g of x plus r of x, where r of x equals to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. If r of x equals to 0, then g of x is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. Now, division algorithm or polynomial. That means there exist two functions or two polynomials f of x and g of x. Then there exists to another polynomial q of x and r of x such that f of x can be written q of x into g of x plus r of x, where r of x equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. That's it. Dividend is equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder, where f of x is called dividend, q of x is called quotient, and g of x is called divisor, and r of x is called remainder. That's it. Now we solve some important sums from the book Sharma exercise 2.3. Now we solve sum number 2.1. The sum is given g of t is equals to t square minus 3, f of t is equals to 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Check g of t is a factor of f of t. We have to check g of t is a factor of f of t. That means from division algorithm, if we divided f of t by g of t, then the remainder will be 0. So you have to show the remainder is 0. Let's solve. T square minus 3 divided by plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. That's it. Now when we divided the polynomial by another polynomial, we have to check what should be multiplied with t square. Then we get 2t to the power 4. That is 2t square. If we multiply 2t square with t square, then we get 2t to the power 4. Multiply 2t square with this term, 2t square into t square, that is 2t to the power 4 minus 2 3 is 6 t square. That is t square, not t cube. So we write this below the t square minus 6 t square. Okay, now we subtract it first. It will be cancelled and the next number will be plus 4 t square minus 90 minus 12. That's it. Now look, the leading term is 3t cube. So what should we multiply with t square? Then we get 3t cube. That is plus 3t. If we multiply plus 3t with t square, then we get 3t cube. Then will be 3t cube. Then multiply minus 3 with 3t, which will be minus 90. Now we write down this below the 90. Now subtract it. It will be cancelled and the remainder will be 4t square minus 12 and it will be 0. Now look, where the sign will be minus, we put the plus below the sign, and where the sign will be plus, we put the minus sign below the sign. Okay. The first term is 4t square. Now what should we multiply with t square? Then we get 4t square, that is plus 4 plus 4. 4t square minus 12. Then minus will be plus. Both are cancelled. Then remainder is 0. Okay. Now look, the quotient is this and the remainder is 0. Therefore, quotient q of x is equals to 2t square plus 3t plus 4. And remainder r of x is equals to 0. If r of t, that means remainder, is 0, then g of t is a factor of f of t. So by division algorithm, we can say g of t is a factor of f of t. That's it. Now we solve sum number 7. Find all the zeros of polynomial x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 34 squared minus 4x plus 120 if two of its zeros are 2 and minus 2. This is biquadratic polynomial. That means it has maximum 4 zeros and 2 zeros are given. So you have to find out the rest 2 zeros. Okay. Since 2 and minus 2 are 2 zeros of this polynomial, therefore x minus 2 and x plus 2 are 2 factors. So now we find g of x is equals to the multiplication of these 2 factors, that is x minus 2 into x plus 2. This is equals to x square minus 4. The multiplication of these 2 factors also a factor of this polynomial. If we divided this polynomial by this factor, then the remainder must be 0. Let's check. X square minus 4 and the coefficient x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. Now look at the first term, that is x to the power 4, and the first term of divisor is x square. Now what should I multiply with x square? Then we get x to the power 4. That is x square only, x square. Then we just multiply the divisor by x square, then we get x to the power 4, and this is minus 4 into x square. It will be minus 4x square, and subtract it, it will be plus, that is there is plus, so it will be minus, and there is minus, it will be plus. Now they are same, will be cancelled. X cube, now consider the second sign, this is minus and this is plus. Now minus plus minus. Now 34 minus 4, this is equals to minus 30, x square 4x plus 120. Look again, leading coefficient is x cube. So we multiply the divisor by x, then we get x cube, then plus x, then it will be x cube minus 4x. Again subtract this, it will be cancelled. It will be also cancelled because there is minus and there is plus, and the rest are minus 30x square plus 120. Now the coefficient of x square is minus 30. We have to multiply the divisor by minus 30, then we get the first term, which is minus 30. Now minus 30 into x square, that is minus 30x square. Now minus minus plus 4 into 30, that is plus 120. Then subtract it, it will be cancelled, the remainder is 0. Okay, now the remainder is 0, that means this is also a factor of this polynomial. Therefore r of x is equals to 0. That means q of x is equals to x square plus x minus 30 is also a factor of given polynomial. Okay, now we have to factorize this term in two linear factors. Okay, now x square plus x minus 30. Now we factorize this polynomial into linear factor by middle term. Now 30 can be written 5 into 6, and there is plus 1, that is 6 minus 5, it will be 1. Now x square plus 6 minus 5 x minus 30. Now break this bracket, it will be 6x minus 5x minus 30. Now taking out common, x plus 6 and taking out minus 5, x plus 6, then again common, x plus 6, it will be x minus 5. So the another two factors are x plus 6 and x minus 5. For zeros, x plus 6 equal to 0, that is x equals to minus 6, and x minus 5 equal to 0, that is x equals to 5. Hence all the zeros are 2, minus 6 and 5. That's it. Now we solve sum number 9. Find the all zeros of the polynomial 2x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 3 if two of its zeros are minus root 3 and root 3. That means two zeros are given. We have to find out the another zeros. Now the given polynomial is cubic polynomial. That means it has maximum 3 zeros and 2 zeros are given. So you have to find out another 1 zero. Now we solve this sum using division algorithm. Same as sum number 7. Since minus root 3 and root 3 are two zeros of this polynomial, that means x plus root 3 and x minus root 3 are two factors of given polynomial. Let g of x is equals to product of them a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus b square, that is x square minus 3. Now we divided the given polynomial by this g of x, that is x square minus 3, and this is 2x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 3. The first term or the leading term is 2x cube. If we multiply x by 2x, then we get 2x cube. So the quotient will be 2x. Now 2x into this divisor, then we get 2x cube, then 2 into 3, that is minus 6x. Now this is minus plus, it will be minus, it is minus, it is plus. No, it will be cancelled because they are same. Now x square and the rest are minus 3. Now the first term is x square. That means we have to multiply the divisor by plus 1. X square minus 3 minus will be plus, and both are cancelled. The remainder is 0. That means the quotient is one of the factor of this given polynomial. Since r of x is equals to 0, therefore 2x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. For 0, 2x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Hence, the all zeros are minus root 3, and minus half. That's it. Now we solve the sum number 11. Find all the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1 if two of its zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Similarly, we solve this sum using division algorithm, and same as sum number 7 and 9. The given polynomial is biquadratic polynomial. That means it has maximum 4 zeros. Now the two zeros are given, so you have to find out the rest two zeros. X minus of 2 plus root 3 and x minus of 2 minus root 3 are two factors of given polynomial. The divisor g of x will be x minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3. First we remove the first bracket, then we can write 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2, then minus minus plus, this is plus root. Now look, x minus 2 minus root 3, x minus 2 plus root 3. That means this is from a minus b into a plus b. This is equals to, you can write a square minus b square. This is equals to x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3. This is equals to x square minus 4x plus 1. That's it. Now we divided the given polynomial by this polynomial g of x. Now x square minus 4x plus 1 divided x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. Now look, the leading term or first term is 2x to the power 4. Let's multiply by 2x square. Now it will be 2x to the power 4, then 2x square minus 4x. Then it will be minus 4 to the 8x cube. Minus 8x cube. Then 1 into 2x square, that is plus 2x square. Now subtract it, minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, you cancel. Minus 9 plus 8, that is minus x cube, plus 5x square minus 2x square, that is plus 3x square plus 3 minus 1. Okay, now the first term is minus x cube, so we multiply the divisor by minus x. Now minus x into x square, that is minus x cube, then minus minus plus 4x, that is plus 4x square. Now minus plus minus x, now subtract it, plus minus plus, cancel, then plus 3 and minus 4, it will be minus x square. Now plus 3 plus x, it will be 4x, and this is minus 1. Now again the leading coefficient is negative, so we multiply by minus 1 only. It will be minus x square plus 4x minus 1. Now plus minus plus, so all are cancelled, will be 0. Hence the remainder is 0. So the quotient is one of the factor of the given polynomial. Therefore quotient is equals to 2x square minus x minus 1 and r of x is equals to 0. Therefore q of x is a factor of given polynomial. Now we factorize the quotient in two linear factor, 2x square minus x minus 1. Now the leading coefficient is 2, so we multiply the constant term by this leading coefficient, that is it will be 2. Now factorize 2 in two factors, that is 1 and 2 only. Now 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Now we can write 2x square minus 2 minus 1 of x minus 1, that's it. Now 2x square, remove the bracket, it will be minus 2x plus x minus 1. Now 2x will be common, which is x minus 1 plus x minus 1. Now x minus is common, that is 2x plus 1. This is two linear factors of this quotient. Now for zeros, x minus 1 equals 0, that is x equals to 1, and 2x plus 1 equal to 0, that is x equals to 1 by 2. Hence all the zeros are 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. That's it. Now we solve sum number 12. What must be added to the polynomial f of x is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. Now look, f of x, the given polynomial, is not exactly divisible by this number. That means there is a remainder, and by division algorithm we know if we subtract the remainder from dividend, then the dividend will be exactly divisible by the divisor. Look, f of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Now r of x is remainder. Now if we subtract the remainder from the dividend, that means f of x minus r of x is equals to g of x into q of x. If we subtract remainder from the dividend, it can be expressed as the product of two polynomials, g of x and q of x. That means g of x and q of x are two factors of this resulting polynomial. That means the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by g of x or q of x. But the question is, what should be added to the polynomial? So you have to add something with this polynomial, not subtract it. Now look to numbers 26 and 8. If we divided 26 by 8, the quotient will be 3, that is 24, and remainder 2. Now look, quotient is 3 and remainder is 2. Okay. Now 26 is not exactly divisible by 8, but if we subtract the remainder from the dividend, this is 24. Now 24 is exactly divisible by 8. That means we should subtract the remainder from the dividend. Then the resulting number will be exactly divisible by the divisor. Okay. And another way we can write 26 plus minus of 2. This minus can be written plus or minus of 2. This is equals to also 24. In the second expression, we add the remainder with dividend. Then the resulting number is exactly divisible by divisor. From the first case, the remainder is subtracted from the dividend, then the resulting number is exactly divisible by divisor. In the second case, the negative remainder is added to the dividend, then the resulting number will be exactly divisible by divisor. So in this sum, we have to find out the remainder first, then we have to write the negative remainder should be added to this given polynomial, then the resulting number will be exactly divisible by the given divisor. Okay, let's solve the sum. First we divided f of x by the given another polynomial minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Now look, this is x to the power 4 and it is x square, so it just multiply x square, then we get x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square. That's it. Now subtract it. It will be cancelled. It will be cancelled also. Now minus 2x plus 3x. It will be plus x square. Then plus x minus 1. Coefficient of leading term is 1. So we multiply only 1 because this is x square and this is also x square. If we multiply x square by 1, then we get x square. X square plus 2x minus 3. Now this is minus minus plus. Now subtract it. Plus minus will be minus, that is minus x, and this is minus plus, it will be plus 2. This is remainder because the highest power of variable is 1, which is less than the power of the divisor. So degree of this polynomial is the less than the degree of this divisor. So this is remainder. So r of x is equals to minus x plus 2. Now if we subtract this polynomial from the given polynomial, then the resulting polynomial will be exactly divisible by this number. But the question is, what must be added? So we add the negative remainder with this given polynomial. Hence we should add minus of r of x, that is minus of minus x plus 2. This is equals to x minus 2. So we should add x minus 2 with this polynomial. That's it. Now we solve sum number 13. What must be subtracted from the polynomial f of x is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 4x plus 3. Now for this sum, what must be subtracted from this polynomial? That means we just subtract the remainder from this polynomial. Now first we divided the given polynomial f of x by this polynomial. Then x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 12x plus 21. Now this is x to the power 4, so we have to multiply by x square. This is x to the power 4, that is minus 4x cube plus 3x square. Now subtract it. This will be cancelled, and plus plus will be plus, that is 6x cube, minus minus will be plus, this is also 16x square, this is minus 12x plus 21. Now the leading coefficient is 6, so we have to multiply plus 6x. This is 6x cube minus 24 x square plus 18x. Subtract it, it will be cancelled, and minus 16 plus 24, that means 8x square, 30x plus 21. The leading coefficient is 8. We add plus 8 and multiply the divisor by 8, then we get 24. Now subtract it, it will be cancelled, and this is 2x minus 3. Now look, the remainder is 2x minus 3 because the degree of this polynomial is less than the degree of this divisor. So remainder r of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Now what must be subtracted? If we subtract the remainder r of x from the given polynomial f of x, then the resulting polynomial will be exactly divisible by this polynomial. Hence we should subtract r of x. That's it. Now we solve the last sum, sum number 15. Given that x minus root 5 is a factor of the cubic polynomial x cube minus 3 root 5 x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5. Find all the zeros of the polynomial. One zeros of the given polynomial is given, so you have to find out the another two zeros. First we divided this polynomial by the given divisor or given factor. Let's solve this sum. First we divided the given polynomial by x minus root 5. And the given polynomial is x cube minus 3 root 5 x square plus 13x minus 3 root 5. First this is x cube and this is x, so we multiply by x square minus root 5 x square. This is minus, this is plus, so it will be cancelled, and plus minus minus 2 root 5 x square. This is plus 13x minus 3 root 5. Now the leading coefficient is minus 2 root 5. So you have to multiply the divisor by minus 2 root 5x. It will be minus 2 root 5 x square, and minus minus plus 2 into 2 root 5, that is 2 root 5 into root 5, that is 2 into 5, this is equals to 10. So this is 10x. Now subtract it. Plus 13 minus 10, that is 3x minus 3 root 5. Now leading coefficient is 3, so we multiply the number by 3. Then 3 into x, that is 3x, and 3 into minus root 5, 3 root 5. Then minus, this is plus, cancel this, it will be 0. So the remainder is 0. So r of x is equals to 0. That means the quotient q of x is equals to x square minus 2 root 5x plus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Now we factorize this quotient into linear factor. Now x square minus 2 root 5x plus 3. Now in the middle term there is 2 root 5x. There is a factor root 5. For making this factor, we arrange 3, that means constant term, as plus 5 minus 2. 3 can be written plus 5 minus 2. That means x square minus 2 root 5x plus 5 can be written root 5 square minus 2 can be written root 2 square. Okay. Now look, x square minus 2 root 5 can be written root 5 plus root 2 plus root 5 minus root 2, because minus root 2 plus root 2 will be cancelled and root 5 plus root 5 will be 2 root 5. Okay. X plus, now a square minus b square, it can be written root 5 plus root 2, that is a plus b, into root 5 minus root 2, that is a minus b. Okay. Now this can be written x square minus root 5 plus root 2 x minus root 5 minus root 2 of x plus root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. Now taking out the common from the first two terms, that is x will be common, and the factor will be x minus root 5 plus root 2, and from the last two terms the common will be root 5 minus root 2 will be common. Then the factor will be x minus is common, so plus will be minus root 5 plus root 2, and again root 5, x minus root 5 plus root 2 will be common, then x minus root 5 plus root 2, and the second number will be x minus root 5 minus root 2. Quadratic quotient is factorized is two linear factor. Now for zeros, x minus root 5 plus root 2 is equals to 0. That means x equals to root 5 plus root 2, and x minus root 5 minus root 2 equal to 0. That implies x equals to root 5 minus root 2. There is two zeros, one root 5 plus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2. Hence all the zeros are root 5 and another 2 root 5 plus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2. That's it. In the next class, I will discuss pair of linear equation in two variables. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you newcomers in my channel, to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.